Alright, we're studying Python and we're starting Turtle revision. This and games with Turtle. The first thing we'll do is let's rename this a bit. Okay. So firstly, we'll start with we'll open the IDLE first. Aditya, get your IDLE open. Now to change the name of a screen, let's look at the first thing, how to change the name of the Turtle screen. Well, for example, when I showed you the ping pong game that we'll be making after a few weeks. So we have to understand all the basics first, then we'll start making the ping pong game. Just like that, the first thing we saw that it had the ping pong as the title of the game, right? Every game has a title on top of it. Ping pong, Minecraft, all of them have a title. So title. And inside this, I can write my title. So I can say Minecraft. But today we're making something else. We're making the spiral game. So we'll say spiral game. That's one thing. That's done. How to change the name of Turtle screen. The next thing we're looking at is how to automatically close the game. How to automatically close Turtle graphics after
Turtle, turtle, that's it. Turtle.
Yes,
Something like that. Nothing.
So okay, I want to close it after the see. I have a game now. After I played the game, I should close automatically. I don't want to go to the cross and then do it. I want to click it and it should close on its own. For that, I just have to say Turtle dot click or close on click, and that's it. Now these two things are going to be very important for us because when I make my game, it should close on its own.
Don't tell me you're going to make me another test.
No, next test is after a few weeks. No test. For now, there's no test. Test is done, right?
Again, test, bro. I don't want any more classes. One test.
There is no test, Aditya. Test is done. That's what I'm saying. You finished the test.
After one, like
you want more tests? Aditya, do you want more tests? No. Yes or no? I don't know. There's no more test. I don't know if you want one, I can make one. But there's no test right now.
Listen, what did you say? You said after a few weeks there's test?
No. See, look. What I said was, after a few weeks, if you want, we can have a test. But there's no test now because test is done. So if you want, you can tell me, then we can see.
Oh, finally, thank God. So that means no more test. Yes.
Yeah, that's what I said, right? Test is done. So turtle dot exit on click. Now that's what we say. That basically will close my turtle screen after when I click on it. So if I click on it, it will close. That's quick. That's very quick. That's good. Okay. That's fine. I can change the name. Now I wanted to make the letter Z. How can I make the letter Z? Let's see. First thing first, we need to know what angles do we need. First, Z looks like this, right? So there are a few angles which I'm using. So if I start my turtle, let's say, over here, this is where my turtle is there. That is my turtle. If I use, let's say, use an arrow, a big arrow. Now, first thing first, I'll have to go forward somewhat. Now, how much do you think this is? What is the distance here? Aditya, Aditya, can you hear me? Okay, what happened to the microphone? I want you to tell me. Well, how much distance do you think this we should move forward? We have to go turtle dot backward or forward? Where will my turtle go? If I had the turtle and it's your way to guide him, how will you guide him, Aditya? So if tell me how much forward should I go? First, should it be turtle dot forward or back? Let's say this is my turtle. It wants to go somewhere. It wants to go from one place to another place. Okay, turtle dot right. That makes sense. This is my turtle. Look, a big giant turtle. Let's make him a bit small. And I'm going to take him right here. Now this turtle has to go. Okay, turtle dot forward. Okay, so first I'll go turtle dot forward 100. Okay, then my turtle will walk. Da, 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 da. All right, he's here. Now, how much does he have? Where should he move? The turtle has to move like this. That's a weird move. He has to go like this. Okay, so for him to go like this, we'll have to do something. Let's see how we can do this. First thing first, how much angle is this from here to here? My turtle is right here. 93.2. Okay, that's very specific. That's a good answer. Let's check this once. So if how do I know the angle? So wherever the turtle is going, right now he's going forward. So I'll make one straight line like this. Okay, when I make this straight line, then my angle which he has to move from will basically be between the next line and this straight line. So it will be like this. Okay, that's how much it is. So let's see. Let's if I show you all the angles, these are all the angles I have. And if we just put it right here, we'll realize that I'm moving. Look at this angle right here. So I'm going to move a few angles from here to here. Right from here to here. What does that mean? Well, what that means is, since I have to move, I'll just choose the angle from this table, which will be all right, this much. Let's remove this for now. So my turtle goes 150 degrees there. Actually, one not one 50, it will be 135. It moves like this, goes forward. So we'll just say turtle dot right after this. My turtle is moving right here. 135 degrees. Then right after that, again it has to go forward. How much forward do you think it has to go? Give me an answer. Should it go again 100 or should it go a little bit more than 100? What do you think? We can try 100. And the next thing we're doing is 150. Okay, we can try 150. Okay. Now after 150, my turtle will move like this, like this, like this. Now it's here. Okay. Now since my turtle is here, now it has to move all the way right here. From there, it has to move all the way back. So you know what I'll do? Well, since I moved turtle dot right in that direction, I'll again go turtle dot left. So I'll get back to my original location, original direction. I did right over there. Now I'm doing left. So first it was like this, and if we made it go right, now it's coming back to left. And lastly, how much forward do you think it should go now? It should be same as the top one because the sides must be same. So how much do you think it should go, Aditya? Forward. 100. Well, that's the perfect correct answer. Good job. So Aditya does understand that this has to be same as this. That's correct answer. Good job. Now, next thing we have to look at is run it, right? That's all we've finished it. There's nothing more we need to do. So let's just bring all our code in one position. Okay, let's bring all our code in one position. So first thing first, I'll have to write, if I show you the IDLE, just a second. Aditya, can you see the IDLE? Aditya, can you see the IDLE? All right, that's good. Now we'll first thing first, what do we say? Whenever we want to use turtle, tell me how do I start? Do I say export turtle? Or do I say import turtle? What do I say? Tell me. The first thing we say is, I'm kind of confused here. See, I want you to help me out. Is it export turtle? Is it iPhone turtle? Well, I think that doesn't seem correct to me, but I'm going to still try it. Let's run it. Aditya is joking. All right, I took you for serious. Oh my god. All right. So that is a pretty clever joke. iPhone turtle. What about Android turtle? Android turtle. Okay. What is the correct answer? Import turtle. I'll try that. Okay, I can try that. Oh, that also changed color. That means it must be correct, right? It became orange. So it's like Python telling me. The Python is also helping me now. Aditya and both Python are helping me. That's good. I understand now. Now the next thing I need to learn is how do I write all the code. So import turtle is correct. Next thing I do is turtle dot size. Do I do turtle dot size or turtle dot shape? What do I do? Can I give turtle dot shape as iPhone? Is that possible?
Somebody saying,
Yes, and Ayan, Aditya, can you hear me?
oh, there is, and that summer feeling.
So I can't say iPhone, that's not a correct shape. The only correct shape, I think, let's try turtle, because that's the name.
Breathe
Now,
me out. I don't know if I could ever go without.
Aditya, what is the title? What title should I give to the screen? Quick. What title should I give it? What are we doing? It has to be related to the program. The program is going to draw a Z. So how should I give it? Sus Z, all right. Well, we can try imposter Z. Now, next thing we have to do is quick, turtle dot forward, turtle dot right, turtle dot forward again. Aditya, can you hear me? Aditya, can you hear me? I think there's a problem with my microphone. Now, in the beginning, you said 100. In the middle, you said 150. And lastly, you're trying to go again 100. Now, let's see if this works. Fingers crossed. I will also put the turtle dot exit on click. Aditya, can you tell me what does exit on click do? Aditya, what does exit on click do? It automatically closes the turtle graphics after, or let's say when you click on it. I'm going to run it. Let's run it. Oh, hey, look, Aditya, that's a Z. And wait, you can't see it now, can you? Now can you see it? Well, it went away. Just a second. I'll share it. Aditya, can you see it? The Z on the screen? Now can you see it? Check. Yes, that's what we made together. Now, I hope you understand now, right? It also says imposter Z at the top. Wow. So this Z is not a real Z. It's basically one of the imposters that has taken the place of the actual Z. This is a turtle Z, right? Now, if it's that we can make it quickly like this, the angles are 135 degrees. Okay. Any questions, Aditya, in this? I'm going to upload the code for you. And another thing, let's see what happens if I click on it. When I click on it, it automatically closes. Good job. I don't have to do anything. So the code, this is the code right here. Import turtle, we can say turtle imposter Z. All I have to do is forward 100, forward 150, forward 100. And in between those, we have to move right to 135, then left 135. That's it. But that's all for today. We'll see how to make the spiral game tomorrow. I don't think we could do spiral game today, but we'll be using the same knowledge in making the spiral game next class. Now, that's all for today. You have one homework. That homework is.
Bye bye. No, no. You're
No.
going to give. You're going to give me homework.
Draw letter A.
No.
We have done that already.
Sorry, no.
Draw letter. Let's say, draw letter E. That's it. Now that's your homework. It's up to you if you can do it.
Just send you the same file.
You have done it already. I see. We can try. What about draw letter F?
Already done that as well.
Already done that as well. Wow, Aditya is very quick. Aditya does all the homework. Now, what about draw letter T?
Already done that as well.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Let's say.
So I guess every homework you get, I have already
Let's
done.
say write.
Draw letter, right?
Not right. That's too much. What about letter I? That's it. That's the final one. Done. Draw letter I. Okay. That's
Draw
the homework.
letter I. You already done that as well, sir.
Well, so that's good for you, right? Save time.
No, I might have not done I. So I have.
All right, that's all for now.
No, because of homework, I'm
Take
not.
care. Goodbye.
No, never see you again. And I.